guys, it's Sid with SPTperformance.com, and as you can see, I'm in MGW's machine shop. It's Sunday, it's kind of quiet. George stepped out a few minutes ago, and I was just nosing around a little bit, and I found this Tremec's brand new TKX transmission. Just got it in a couple days ago. Give you guys a quick look around this thing. 5-speed, basically designed to replace any of the TK series transmissions. So muscle car applications like that, pretty much anything that old T series, this is designed to go in its place. And MGW will be designing a new shifter for these. This transmission is probably going to end up in George's Cobra that we showed you previously on the channel. But yeah, there's definitely some room for improvement in this shifter. This thing, it feels just rough, and it's this pivot ball that is in this Tremec shifter from the factory. And you know, that's just one of the things that MGW does. They make everything much more precisely than this production run stuff. I mean, it's not like this is terrible, but there's definitely room for improvement. Probably end up being a little bit shorter throw, but definitely much smoother. So that's basically it. Just a very compact transmission, 5-speed, lots of splines. I think it's a 27 spline input shaft. Supposed to be fairly strong, good replacement for your old T5 TKOs, things like that. And like most Tremec transmissions, we got the box back here that this thing shipped in. It is made in Mexico, just like your GT350 transmissions, and pretty much all your Tremecs that you're used to, manuals anyways. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at the new TKX. Beautiful casting work on this thing. Die cast case, much better than the old sand cast aluminum stuff that you see on some transmissions. Good quality piece. Look forward to testing it out with the brand new MGW shifter when George gets that finished.